Print digital by Jen.
Let's just put together the Waterfall Love Story Folio. I'm just going to show you how to do a few of these because there's 10 of them, I do believe. So you just score there, fold. This one I've already done, and that's what you do with those. So we'll do this. It's very simple. There's not much to do like scoring or anything in these kits. Folding. And I think there's 2 or 3 back sheets provided. Just print whatever back sheet you want on the back of these, but it should be printed with the back sheet because you're going to see them. And then you can ink and do whatever you want. Okay, so we'll put this together. So it's just this square one. Base, the base. The base topper. And it'll go like that. Okay. And then you can score these little ones too. I've already scored them, so you just fold them on the fold line. And if you don't think that you've cut these exactly straight, don't use this fold line. Just fold them in half like this. And wherever the fold line goes, it goes. Because you're not going to see that fold line anyway. Like from your visible, but you know, if you cut them straight and you know they're straight, then it should line up. However, sometimes we all get in a rush and we don't cook them or cut them straight. But anyways, this is what these are for. These are the little cards to your loved one that go in here, slide in like this, and then it's you can put whatever you want on the back, and then it's a waterfall, and then they'll open it, and there could be a ticket in here for like a real ticket where you want to go to a cinema or something, or just a little love note, or that they mean to you. So that's how those are gonna work, okay? And I'll only give you 5 of these style, and then I do believe there's just ones that are plain, in case you wanna just, like you can put whatever you want, little notes, draw things, put little ephemeras in here, print it with a back sheet, put lines, put tickets, gift tokens, whatever you want. Okay, so let's just put the folio base together and show you how that goes together. So you're gonna need this piece and this piece. And then you're gonna attach this. Like that on this side. So you detach it right there, like so. Close like that. Okay. Okay, so now we'll put this base together. So you'll have your oops. Oh, put a poem in here or something. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. Put whatever you want. And I'm going to make some little ephemera and bits. So I'm going to put little things that you can put inside these cards. And you can also print inside these cards with the back sheet if you want to. You don't have to. I'm going to make little bits of ephemera and stuff. And I use this one wrongly. This is the one for the actual back to hold in the envelope. So I'm just going to take that one off and put a proper one. I forgot all about that one. Because these are made for certain things, right? So, yeah. There's a longer one, and it's to hold the envelope. So put a bit here. And then if you're finding that your cards are a little crooked, all you do is turn them up, because you only need them as long as the this little thing is center, you're good to go. That's all. Don't do that. I didn't let it dry. Okay, let's just let that dry. That's why I like this when it dries faster. Okay, so let's just put this back on here. Just line them up. Good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in my Ko-fi shop, whatever you call it. That if you buy the kit, you can go and get these for free. You can go over and get the ephemera bits I'm gonna upload for free. They're just gonna be little words and little decorations for this, like maybe I'll make some lips for here or something, and it's your choice, maybe some flowers, and then you can just paste them to them if you want, or you can just paste them on the outsides or put them on the inside. It's just whatever you want, however you decorate it. But that'll be up in the next couple days at my Ko-fi shop. Okay, so you just continue on like that. You can rotate the like you can put all the helms, because this is supposed to be they're a couple. Valentine's Day, this is their home, one of these, whatever. And this you can either rotate with these just to break it up, or you can put all the ones with the folks here, and then all the ones with like just these over here. These can be all just sentiments and love notes, and these ones can be maybe tickets and shows and cinema tickets or play tickets or popcorn night ticket, whatever you decide. Okay, and whatever else you want to throw in there. So we will so you get the hang of it. So the next one would be one of these and so forth. So on and on. So I think I'll go with this one. Actually, I like this lined one. Yeah. So actually I have a lined one there, right? So maybe I will go with this dotted one. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. So you can pick out the cards. The cards are all different too, like whichever card you want. See, like this I probably cut off-sided, so just make sure that they're lined up at the bottom and not the way, don't go by the cut line that is on the page if you cut it crooked. Actually I didn't, I just had it folded wrong. So there's all kinds of different little varieties, so that one's not good for that one, different ones. So you just rotate and put whatever you feel like. So you get the hang of it now, right? You can even put a note here, like a little, I'll make little little words. You can put them on there, or you can put a heart band there, like something, like one of these little hearts you can cut out, print this extra, and then cut these out, and glue them to here, and whatever. There's lots of things you can do with this paper, right? And you don't have to use this pink one to line it with. You can use whatever you want, whatever back sheet you want. And then just put your little sentiment in there. I'll make few little poems or whatever, but you know, everybody's different. I think it's more personal if you write what you want in there, but I will just put them in a separate sheet. And a couple sheets I'll put up. So whatever. Oops, I've done that one a little too far. Okay. So then we'll just go. I find this holds better for these. And the glue sticks better for this because this glue tends to be wetter sometimes. Depends on whether it's hot in here or. So, yep, good to go. Try and line them up as close to here as possible. That's how you'll keep them even. You know? You can even add your own little, like I'd put washi tape down here and down here. All kinds of little things you can do with this. Dress this up at the front. It's so cute. Put a lot of ink on it. I didn't put ink on it today. So, okay. So then you would just, same thing over here. Start with this one. Start with this style because you've got this style here, and then pop them in and make sure these are facing right though, because if you put them this way, the words are upside down. So put it this way and the words are right. So just keep going and going. And then put a house one with your lover, with your lovely, and then just for your partner or whatever. And then continue on. And then that's about it. Now, so you would get all those on there, and then there's little tabs. There's little tabs that you can use, right? So we'll just glue those on so you can pick them up. Okay. Okay. So there's there's one of these for every one of them, and you can just go in and put them here. You can put them wherever you like if you want to lift them from there, but you can put them here. I'm just going to use this one because it dries faster for me. Just put it here. Line it up nicely, pop it in, and you're good to go. Okay, so then you got the little tabs. So we'll do one here too. Put this one on. Just do a bead of glue here. In the middle. Even with this. You can even, you know, put your own little tabs on there or whatever, but these are cute. So that's what you would do with those. So you would just pull out the card. Oh, look. And then you could spray it with your favorite perfume that he likes or his favorite cologne or whatever. I wouldn't do that, but you can. All kinds of little things. Reminders, why you like them, why you love them, why you're whatever. Okay, so that's it. That's what you do. And then I'll also put maybe something for the front, like love story or whatever. So now we're going to put the envelope on. So once you've done that, this you can have the envelope here, It can be a car wash coupon. It could be whatever you want to give, whatever your partner likes. It could be a gift certificate for a store. It could be whatever. It could be something that you want to give him free that you could offer him without buying anything. So tons and tons of little things. So this will go here, like you'll put your gift in here. It could even be like a little small box of skinny like chocolates, or his favorite little mints, or his whatever, you know, his little hanky or whatever it is they do these days. And then it would go here like this, and that's for the longer one, which is this one, which I had stuck there. So that would go on there. Let's see if I've got one that I haven't. Nope, that's a shorter one. So this is the one that I left in this family. Yeah. So you would just put this on here. Anywhere you like. Actually, I think I cut this one. Oh, I think I cut this one earlier. I shouldn't have done that. But anyways, there's a longer one in here for this envelope. Hopefully this still fits in there. Oh, good. I didn't cut it that much. Okay, so that's what you can do. You can put it this way. I thought this was just cute. So you want to see that word like that. Then you can put a ticket in here. Maybe you're going to give him a ticket to the Super Bowl or a hockey game or coffee shop, whatever they like. You can put it this way. It's kind of cute to put both ways. Okay. Oops. Yeah, see, I cut it. So just wait for that to dry. I've had this thing torn apart, ripped apart, so it will come off. Okay, I didn't ink. You can ink. A nice pink ink would be nice. But this is just a cute whimsy one, you know. It's so cute. With all your little cards, okay? You can round the corners here on this side. You can add some lace. You can put some nice lace up here. Some dangles, you know. It's so versatile and workable, but it's just a cute little gift. Cute little gift, okay? And I'm gonna make one that's got different folks in here, or maybe a wedding, like a marriage one or something. We'll see. Like a newlywed thing. This is just cute for Valentine. Okay? All right. So don't forget to check out my Ko-fi shop if you want to get some more ephemera bits for this. Maybe I'll make a heart to close it, or you could also do a, you know, you can to a thing you could put brads in to serve, you know, all kinds of little things. Okay, so I'll leave that to you, and don't forget to check out Ko-fi. In the next few days, I will have something up just to little sentiments and little whatever. Okay, bye.